Okay, it might be raining, but I do believe that Mother Nature is kind of getting on our track here with the whole spring theme, and we're going to go in with a very springy and refreshing cocktail, the Hugo Twist. So we're going to take our 6 mint leaves, and we are going to just give it a nice smack to release the oils. Those are going to go straight into our shaker tin. And then we are going to add in 0.25 ounces of our simple syrup. Excuse me. Then we are going to add in 0.75 ounces of our fresh squeezed lemon juice. Get my nonsense out of the way here. Then we're going to do 0.75 ounces of our Elderflower Liqueur. I can do this without spilling everywhere. And then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of our cucumber lemon gin. All right. And then we are going to add ice to our shaker tin and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's nice and cold in our hand. And we are also going to put ice into our wine glass. All right. And now we shake away. Ow. Beautiful. Remember, we did use our fresh lemon juice, so we are going to double strain this. So Hawthorne strainer and mesh strainer. All right, and then we are going to top with both a Prosecco of your choosing. This is going to be one of those times where you just pour until it feels right. And then we're also going to top, with a little bit of soda water. And then me personally, I do like to give it a nice little stir just to combine before I garnish. So that way the Prosecco and the soda water aren't just sitting right on top. And then we're going to take a nice little sprig of mint. Give it a couple little taps on your hand. Whew, aroma. Woohoo. It's just fall in on me. My ice isn't cooperating. All right. And there you have it. The Hugo Twist. Oh, the mint is crazy. Oh my goodness. It's so refreshing. You get a little bit of the cucumber, a little bit of the, a little bit of the lemon. Oh, this is definitely a patio sipping kind of cocktail. Highly recommend. All right, guys, don't forget, if you enjoy the content, the cocktails, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, the ingredients are going to be listed down below so that way you can build the cocktail right along with me. Cheers.